Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Johnny, and today I'll be doing an unboxing. It's a wireless earbud which I recently bought from Shopee due to the 11/11 promotion. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up this item. I think I don't need a scissors. I'll just rip this apart. Yeah, alright. Just need it for this. Alright. So it's one. Oh, two. Okay. So two. Okay. So the first one is this True Wireless L13 Pro. The second one doesn't have a name, music. It's called TWS L13. Right, let's go with the first one. Okay, so let's unbox the TWS L13 first, shall we? Okay. Right. Alright, so alright. Right. So on the box here is very colorful. Alright. Music in different colors. So here it says True Wireless Stereo. Right. And at the back there's some indication of the colors: black, white, pink, blue. Mine actually has a dot on the blue, so it's probably the color inside. Right. And over here it says distance 10 meters, no obstruction. Nice. Alright. Charging time takes about 2 hours. Standby time 120 hours. Okay. Music time, it's about 4 hours per charge. Right, means per usage. And then, okay, the earbuds capacity for the battery is about 50 ampere. And then the charging case is 300 amperes. So that would come up to maybe about 6 charge per use. Yeah, we'll find out more. Let's go in. Alright, so open up. Right, so it's something very simple. Alright, so now, when I bought this earbud from Shopee on 11/11, the listed price was $10, and then the promotion price was $6.99. But after I applied the Shopee vouchers and I applied the Shopee coins, it was only about $6.70. No, less than that. Only about $6. Yeah, so original price 10 came down to about $10. About $6, sorry. Alright, so now, so we have our nice. Okay, so they put the additional earbuds, okay, the ear stopper in a separate Ziploc bag. That's nice. Let's put it aside first. A very simple instruction manual in Chinese and in English. Nice. Very simple, just a two-sided English and Chinese manual. Okay, let's put it aside. Charging cable, it uses a micro USB. Right, let's put it aside. And the main thing, so you can see here, this is a charging case. Right, and then the earbud itself. Does it indicate left or right? Not really. I think it's universal. Right, how about let's see this one. Does it indicate left or right? No, not really. Let's see. Does it indicate anywhere? No. Okay. So it's blue in color, as you can see here. All right, very nice. It's a very nice baby blue you have here. All right, so yeah. The plastic itself, the casing, I will have to say the build quality. Very thin plastic actually. If you look at well, it's the price. It's only about $6.50, so about less than $7, right? So, yeah, the build quality wise, can't scream much, right? Very basic, right? Gets the job done. And behind, you see a micro USB port, the charging port, and I think this small dot here should be the reset. Okay, should be the reset here. Okay, nothing much. Okay, so the earbud, right? So let's put it inside and see whether does it charges up. Okay. Yes, it charges. Okay, so okay, so this is actually not the reset hole. It's not the reset point. It's actually the LED. Okay. It has an LED light to indicate that it's actually charging right now. Okay, so blue is actually charging up the earbuds. Okay, as you can see from here. Okay. Yep. Okay. So both are actually charging right now. So it's charging, it's in red color, as you can see here. Alright. And it's pretty compact. Yeah, it's pretty compact. Alright, so what I have here is actually the Redmi. Okay, the Redmi headphone. Not the Redmi headphone, the Redmi earbuds. So you can do a comparison on the size. Alright, so it's slim, it's equally slim. Alright, but just in terms of shape, this is more broad. It's like a broad oval, while this is like a pill. Like it's like those medicine pill. Yeah, long elongated shape, right? So just want to test it out. Okay, how easy it is to actually connect. Right, so firstly, I'm just take it out. I'm just gonna refresh. Always seem to have there we go, L13. Let's pair it. Pair. Okay, and it's paired. Okay. Right, it's playing. Okay, cool. Right. Okay, so now for the next couple of weeks, I'll be testing this earbud, alright, just to see how good it is. Okay, so I'll be doing a proper review on this earbud. And alright. Right, okay, so this is my unboxing of the L13